Well, as hopefully many of you know already, BikeSocial has been your source for news and views and features and advice and even videos, of course, since about September 2012. So we've been kicking around for a while now. Anyway, we're expanding, we're getting bigger. And joining me, I've got Marisa Sloper and I've got Andy Shoebridge to talk to us all about what it is that BikeSocial membership is all about. First and foremost, why is it called BikeSocial membership, the new proposition?
The membership, it is BikeSocial. You join BikeSocial as a member. It's really that simple.
And it's replacing Bennett's Rewards, right?
It's Bennett's Rewards expanded because BikeSocial is such at the heart of the motorcycle industry, and Bennett's Rewards was for the insurance. We've had so many people actually saying, how can I access like these benefits? So it made perfect sense.
Yeah. And just, Andy, just as an overview, Bennett's Rewards is well, it's a full package, isn't it? It's for insurance members.
I mean, we've been enhancing the proposition for about a year now, expanding the partnerships from everything from retail to ride-outs to track days to you name it. You know,
competitions too.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
And that's always been for Bennett's insurance customers, hasn't it?
It has indeed, yeah.
And this new version, this BikeSocial membership, is the same thing, but it's now a club. Is that how it works? Is that the best way to describe it?
Yeah, effectively a membership club now. So the main difference is that anyone can now join BikeSocial membership. You know, you could, regardless of who you're insured with, you could come and join the club and get the benefit of the club.
Anyone, but it's so as a Bennett's insurance customer, it's free.
Yeah, as a Bennett's insurance customer, you have access to a BikeSocial membership as one of the benefits of insuring with us. But you've also got the opportunity then, if you don't insure with us, to access those same benefits for a 12-month subscription.
Oh, perfect. And how much is that?
So it's £60 a year.
Yeah. And
there's such an array of, as Andy was saying, like offers, competitions, discounts, exclusive events. We think it's really great value for money.
It seems to be, doesn't it? You could soon make about £60, couldn't you? 10% off at Halfords or track days, Bennett's only track days, and then there's things like that Josh Brooks race bike competition that went. That's been a recent one that was superb.
It's your parts and maintenance stuff as well, though, Michael. Like tyres, exhausts. You know, that soon you soon make £60 back if you're spending £1,000 on an exhaust.
Yeah, deals on the exhaust. I mean, to be honest, I'm using it for getting my oils, chain lubes, just my consumables, to be honest, because let's face it, we know they soon add up.
What's the difference between a direct customer and a non-direct customer?
So a customer insures directly with Bennett's comes either through the bennetts.co.uk website or calls our fabulous customer service agents. So when you buy your insurance policy through either of those channels, then you get free access to membership, and all you've got to do is register for my account and away you go.
Okay, so as a direct Bennett's customer, you get free access to BikeSocial membership, you get to be a member, and then if you aren't a Bennett's customer, then you pay your £60. But what about those guys who come through a price comparison site who are still Bennett's customers?
We all use price comparison websites, right, for a lot of insurance. But the advantage of coming directly to Bennett's and getting your insurance through the bennetts.co.uk website or through our customer service agents is that you get free access to your BikeSocial membership. So when you buy an insurance policy with Bennett's through through a price comparison website, then you get access to the same benefits for the annual membership fee. So what's not to love?
Brilliant. And there's another way of getting involved, isn't there, with an affiliate?
Yeah, we've got some really exciting affiliate partnerships on the horizon, where basically if you're buying services or experiences or product from another supplier, third party that we work with, then potentially you could get a BikeSocial membership as part of that transaction, giving you access as a full member. So that's really good.
Yeah, it really is. It's an inclusive service. You know, our whole sort of goal and aim is, you know, we're all bikers, you know, is to get more from motorcycling. You know, it absolutely is the mantra. I wholeheartedly believe in it. So why would we want to exclude anybody?
Of course, there's so many great offers as well. You don't actually have to ride a bike, do you? Because there's some really, really good stuff on there. Yeah. And while there is no sort of physical clubhouse, I think that probably is in the pipeline. In my head, it's in the pipeline for the future. I really want there to be some kind of physical place, but it's still a club. It's inclusive, and we want so many people to be involved, don't we? It seems it's a bit of a it's a bit of a no-brainer. But of course, the BikeSocial editorial side, it won't change. It'll mean that we're still doing all the news and views and reviews and features, but it'll be inclusive, so we can get BikeSocial members involved as well. So if you guys want to learn how to wheelie or lube your chain properly, or have your suspension fettled with, then BikeSocial members will get the opportunity to do that as well.
Yeah. There's the opportunity to kind of get involved with the BikeSocial test team, be involved in the product tests, you know, and you get more access to the great content that you guys produce when you're a member. That if you're not a member, that you don't get those same perks. So that's the money can't buy stuff, right?
Exactly. Thank you very much. Brilliant. All right, get over to bikesocial.co.uk. You know where to go.